make Iron Man Infinity War Reactor. So first I have made these templates, and these templates links are also given in the description below, so you can check it out later. Now I have cut this all templates into their shapes. Now I will place it one on one to see that if the templates are matching with that or not. This is on the top, this is in the bottom, this is sidewise, this small piece is over the right reactor top, and this is on the left, and these small hexagons I am gonna put on the top like this one here and this one here. Now you will transfer these all templates into cardboards. I have made this template through thick cardboard, corrugated cardboard. I have made this folds here so that I can bend it, and these main reactor shapes I have made from the flexible cardboards like this one. I have only cut out the hexagons and the main template from the corrugated cardboard. These all other templates are from flexible cardboard. So now I will take this tape and fix this all. I am taking the help of black cellotape, that is the electric tape, to fix this all temporarily, like this on the right one and this on the left. Like this I will, it is not fixing. Okay. I will bend the cardboards and place the cellotape. Yes. Now I will take another tape and place it over the bottom of the reactor. I have made the cuts earlier. In the template also I have made the cuts. I will bend it and I will put the tape. Like this it will look, but we have to fix it permanent so that we do not need the tape for the fixing. So now you will take Fevikwik or any super glue and fix it. Like this I have fixed it, and now I will remove the tapes because we don't need that. Like this I will remove all the tapes. I have given only 4 tapes. I have not removed the left of the bottom tape because it is not still fixed, it is not dry. Like this I have fixed the type of border with the Fevikwik, and like this I will also fit this design in the inner reactor with Fevikwik. Now I will remove it because it's stuck, I think. Yes, it is stuck. Now I'll take the side designs. I have made it from the flexible cardboard. I will place it like this, and now I have fixed this board on both sides. Now I will make some cuts on the edges because the cuts are not clean. Like this I made it here, like this on the other side. Okay. Now I will take these type of screws shapes and paste it on the upper right and left side. I have taken the help of super glue here because the cardboard has become very stiff. So now I will take this type of detailing and place it like this. I have pasted with the help of Fevicol this time. And now I will take this small piece type of 7 and paste it here. I will do the same for the other side. I have did the same for the other side, and now I will take a small gun like piece and paste it over here. By this our all detailings of the upper part is done. Now I will take this hexagon and place it over the top, means topmost, and I will take the small hexagons and place it over the right of top, means right topmost. I will do the same for the left topmost also. I will take the hexagon, put some glue on it and paste it like this. And by this, your arc reactor is ready. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.